Yo, what's cut.
Restart.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Ulysses from JNURC, back with another video.
Wait, hold up. What do you mean another video? It's been 2 months since your last upload. Like,
Boy.
Yes, I know it's been 2 months since we last uploaded. Even Georgie knows. To be honest, there is no explanation to why we haven't uploaded. We've been wanting to upload for a while, but we haven't gotten around to doing it. But me and Georgie plan to upload soon. But for now, we're going to show you a couple of clips that we have recorded, so hope you enjoy.
A few moments later.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Stupid idiot slip! If you don't know what happened, basically, there's this set screw that holds the pinion onto the motor shaft of the X-Max, which it tends to slip a lot. When the set screw comes loose, the pinion will most likely fall off the motor shaft. Once it slips, you can't drive the car, you can't reverse the car, you can't stop the car. As I was reversing, the pinion slipped and basically ran me over. Continue with the video.
Your eyes.